Ah, the humble banana, a lunchbox staple, a perfect addition to any cereal bowl, and as it turns out, a big fat liar in the fruit classification court. That's right, bananas are not the simple, straightforward fruits you thought they were. But then again, nothing in botany is straightforward, is it? Especially when strawberries, the supposed berries, are pulling the wool over our eyes too. Welcome to today's video, where we uncover the botanical treachery that led us to believe strawberries were berries and that bananas were just regular fruits. But before we peel back the layers of this fruit salad of misinformation, let's get some berry basics straight. In the botanical world, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, buckle up because things are about to get very confusing. Take bananas. Yes, the yellow things you thought were just for monkeys and bad comedy gags. According to botany, they're berries. Why? Because they come from a single ovary and contain their seeds embedded in the flesh. Who knew that beneath that peel lay a heart of berry gold? And get this, bananas grow from what is technically a herb, not a tree. So next time you're peeling one open, remember you're enjoying a berry from a herb. Mind-blowing. And what's more, bananas are still technically fruits because in the wild world of botany, if it's a berry, it's a fruit too, just not the kind you thought. Now let's talk about strawberries, the imposters of the berry world. Those little seeds on the outside, they're actually the fruits. Yes, each little seed, officially called an achene, is considered a separate fruit. The red, fleshy part we all love, that's just an enlarged receptacle, basically the part of the stem that holds the ovaries. So, in a dramatic botanical twist, strawberries aren't really berries at all. They're aggregate fruits. Feel betrayed yet? But wait, there's more. Let's throw another curveball with raspberries and blackberries. Like strawberries, these guys are also not true berries. They are what scientists call aggregate fruits. Fruits that are made up of multiple drupes, which are actually individual fruits themselves, clustered together. Why does this matter? Well, apart from possibly winning you a round of trivia at the local bar, it's a great reminder of how wonderfully weird and complex nature can be. Botanical definitions help scientists categorize and understand the vast diversity of plant life. But for the rest of us, it's just plain fun to know these quirky details. In the world of fruits, things are often not what they seem. So next time you're enjoying a banana, savor the fact that you're biting into a technical berry. And the next time you bite into a strawberry, remember, it's about as much a berry as a tomato is a vegetable. Wait, did I just open another can of worms? Let's save that for another episode. So, there you have it. Bananas are sneaky berries, strawberries are deceptive little not berries, and botany is a wild ride of technicalities and surprises. Just like we've peeled back the layers on the surprising truths of bananas and strawberries, it's crucial to consider the layers of security that protect your personal information online. In botany, appearances can be deceiving, much like online, where your privacy isn't always as secure as it might seem. That's why I want to take a moment to talk about NordVPN. Just kidding. Unlike what seems to be every other video on YouTube these days, this video was, unfortunately, absolutely not sponsored by NordVPN, or anyone else for that matter. However, if any sponsors are watching this, please give me money and I will promote your brand in one of my videos with a smooth, seamless segue such as this one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.